everyone, so today I'm going to draw Makima from that one edit, and here's the reference, and all you need to do is follow the tutorial as it is, and I promise that it's gonna be easy as so watch till the end, and you can also grab your sketchbook and pencil and start drawing along with it. So for it, of course, you need to start drawing the structure first of all to draw the sketch as shown in the reference. I get that's a difficult angle to draw, but I'm gonna try my best to make it look easy for you. So don't get disappointed, that's a difficult drawing. That's actually not, because you are watching my tutorial. And I drew Goju and Tanjiro from the same party trend, and you can check these videos on my channel. I will put them in the I button above or in the description. As you can see that the distance between all of these lines is equal, and you can just simply draw them by prediction or guess. But if you can't do that, you can simply measure the radius on both sides of the center of the circle. Like, let's assume if the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters, then the half of it's gonna be 1.5. So you're gonna mark and draw the line at 1.5 on both sides of the center. Right? So that's how it's gonna work. And also, now as our structure is done, let me tell you the locations of everything. I'm marking them like that for just now. They're just temporary signs I'm gonna show you. Like jawline is gonna be there, and like this. Then her bangs streaking out of the circle, the hair on the back of the circle, and boom, there you go. Looking easy, right? And then these are eyes, nose, mouth, and you know the chin. And now let's start drawing the actual sketch. I'm gonna start from the nose because it's like the middlemost part of the face, and it's gonna help us draw all of the other facial features. And we won't be messing up their locations, right? And if you're here on my channel for the first time and seeing me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video because you may not see me again. And yeah, don't forget to check the other tutorials on my channel. You may find them good too. And if you do, don't forget to tell me in the comments and give your review as a new subscriber. Thank you. Excited to see your comments. And guys, today is a good news because we reached 7K subscribers some days ago. And today I'm doing recording just because of that, because I wanted to congratulate all of you on that achievement. And it's one of the greatest achievements I ever achieved. And right now, all I want to say is thank you to you guys so much, to all of you who subscribed, watched my videos, and gave a positive review on every one of them, liked them. Thank you so much. You guys are the reason where I am right now. And let's keep looking forward because there's a lot to come.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
are finally done with drawing the face and the hair on the head. Let's move to draw the other body. And of course we have got a structure to draw that too. And now let's draw the structure easily. First of all, like I'm drawing this circle for the joint on the shoulder and all the other lines, and then we will be drawing the body starting from the arm.
I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh,
Finally, we're done with the whole sketch, and now let's remove the unnecessary structural lines and do the line art. I'm using Chri pencil for it, which is just a little bit darker than the normal HB pencil that we use daily. We use the HB one daily, right? Don't mix them up. But there's not much difference between their shades though. You can use any. So after the line art, let's do the shading with the same one. I'm not gonna switch because it's just the right color. Let's shade in the hair and then the eyes. And for shading in the dress, I'm using this graphite here. I don't know the actual grade of it though, because I mixed all of the pencil trash in it. But you can still use the same pencil. I'm just using the graphite because it's faster than the pencil and easier. So let's blend it up with this cotton earbud. Honestly, use the same pencil, but try to put a little bit more pressure than you did on the hair so that the dress looks darker than the hair, you know, because the hair are orange and the dress is black. So just to keep a difference. And don't forget to blend the hairs too if you want with this cotton earbud. It's just so reliable to use. So here we are done, and I guess I did a pretty good job today, right? And if you like the video, don't forget to press on the like button too, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Meet you in the next video. Bye!